After making this soup and tasting the first bite, we couldn't stop eating. The rich, comforting taste just makes you want to finish the whole bowl. I usually make this soup every year or whenever fresh squash is available. It is one of my favorite dinner options because it feels light yet keeps you full for a long time. Start by cutting the vegetables and keep them aside. Now, in a pot, once the oil is hot, add coriander seeds, cumin seeds, garlic, and coriander stem. Let them sizzle for a few seconds. Now add celery, onion, potato, and squash and let them cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Add chili powder, salt, and pepper and cook for another minute. Now add vegetable stock, cover and cook on low heat until the vegetables are soft and fully cooked. Once the vegetables are cooked, blend them with a hand blender until smooth and creamy. Serve this cozy hot soup with toasted bread or top it with crunchy croutons. Enjoy!